How to set out of office in Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, in this video I'll guide you through how to set up an out of office message using the new Microsoft Teams interface. First, head over to the top right corner of your Teams interface. Click on your profile icon and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the General tab, then scroll down to find the Out of Office section. This will allow you to customize your message. You can now set different messages for your internal organization and for external contacts. Be sure to tailor these messages based on who will receive them. Next, choose the period during which the out-of-office message will be active. You can schedule it for a specific date range to ensure it's automatically enabled and disabled. Once everything is set, click on the Save button. The settings will be applied across both Microsoft Teams and Outlook, meaning your out-of-office status will reflect on your global calendar in both applications. To confirm, open Outlook and you'll see the same out-of-office settings applied there as well. You can turn off the status from either Teams or Outlook, but I personally prefer using Teams for this. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.